Well, I'm glad you raised this. So because the relationships with industry are not as strong as they could be, ideas like this are not penetrating the global oxygen, I would say, the global health oxygen partners. That's why we need greater partnership. The innovations will come from industry. You know, they always do in every sector. Sometimes you have an academic unit connected to industry, but innovation is not something a WHO or a UNICEF or an NGO comes up with. This is something industry, whether it's a small startup company or a massive multinational, does best. So this is why we're so excited about the MCOG partnership that Novair and American Oxygen have taken on. So we have been very critical of the lack of innovation coming from the medical oxygen industry. Now, maybe we'd love to hear industry explain that. And what do you need to be more innovative, to come up with better, cheaper ways of generating oxygen, and also innovation in medical devices? One area where there's been a very nice partnership is Drive de Vilbus, a company that makes oxygen concentrators, and UNICEF. So this is where UNICEF has done something very interesting to create a new oxygen concentrator specially designed for low resource settings. It's called the Pulm O2. It's 10 litre per minute, and they've already launched that. And it's a living demonstration of innovation when industry really steps up with some incentives. But to the example, the hydrogen example you get, this is a perfect case for industry to get together, come up with a proposal, bring it to the Global Oxygen Alliance, who meet monthly, present it, talk about it. How can we work together to maybe help industry accelerate that kind of innovation? This is the way big pharma works with global health, and this is the way medical oxygen needs to work with global health. And we have the infrastructure now to do that, to have those conversations with the Global Oxygen Alliance.